guys. So we started the AI courses, how they related to the our field. So this is the next course which you can also search from Coursera, the AI course by Zishan Usmani. So last time we discussed the data science, and this course we see the AI. So what is AI? AI is basically the study of the agents that see the environment and achieve the goal. So this is the basic definition of AI. So why it's interesting? Because it automates the labor. It will be accelerate the science engineering field, the research work. It will be power search and recommendation. It will be for medical field. It will be safety using the AI, and also new uses appears in the year by year in AI. So it's interesting. So that's why we learn and we understand. Without learning AI, you cannot achieve their goal in any field. So what is brain size and how they performance? Basically, by seeing the brain, the AI is building. So like for example, previously brain size will be the people demonstrated the bigger the brain size, it will be more intelligent, but it's not correct. It's most important the neurons. So if there is more neuron, more richer will be connectivity, and the intelligence will be more. Based on this idea, the AI is working because there are different networking, different data structure they build, and they create a variable answer to you if you input a data. Another is the brains is also they need energy, they need sleep, and they need a rest. So same like computer is also need electricity, they need power, they need a rest, and they have also limits. So based on the brain size, the AI is similar working like neurons and by giving the energy. So this kind of same thing. Another the if you see the hearing, so based on the hearing, the AI is also same like working. They pick the audio, they from the audio they create a text, from the audio they understand what is in this audio. So based on the human hearing capacity or human hearing ability, AI is also working in the audio. Another thing is the sight. In the human nature, 7 million color vision and 7 blink per minute the eye is blinking. So based on this human ability, AI is also see the images, see the video, and give the answer or give the related answer based on the image which you uploaded. Based on the touch, so you can also see the touch senses pressure and temperature. So based on the AI is also they know the where is how the temperature is high or the temperature is low based on the environment, based on the molecules present in the atmosphere. Another is the taste. So electronic toughness is classified complex mixture. So this thing is not too much related, but it's also still related with the AI. Another is the smell. So now people are working in smell based on, for example, if you have some mobile phone and the another guy have a mobile phone from another shop, so if the smell they detect, so same kind of the perfume they will be eject from the another mobile phone. So this kind of technology is becoming based on the human smell ability. The AI is also now involving in the smell capacity. So what is AI? Now this again definition, various scientists give the definition, but the most valuable and most people like this definition: system that act like a human. As we mentioned last, that brain size, hearing, sight, touch, taste, and smell. Based on this all capacity, AI is similar working like human. And what AI can do, AI can play the tennis, drive the rough terrain like a Tesla. They translate a different language like a human. They translate different. They shop online, but it cannot do like a grocery, walking a dog, like give the completely or emotional story, or they calm the crying baby. But they will be also do this kind of work. But up till now, it cannot do this kind of work. So there is different kind of agents, or how the AI is working. So this is the basic 19th centuries AI work, in which people make this kind of game by giving the data that if the human do crash, so you can put this kind of thing. So this is the different kind of code you can see. And there is another type of game, chess game, or Pac-Man game, or Street Fighter game, in which one side computer is play and one side human is play. So this is the start of the AI, starting from the games. And in the AI we mostly talk about IQ. What is IQ? IQ is the uh, intelligence quotients. So it is the formula, but most of the human place in this between in this range. Above from this is very extraordinary mind, and below from this very low kind of mind. But this is the intelligence ratio. And like human, they scientists see the human, and they create a different AI model to the based on the human character. But now AI is also trained from the animal character, like insects, bacteria, plants. So from insect, they create a colonies. So like AI, they create a different neural system, or different neural techniques in which they pass the message, like bacteria, plants. So nowadays AI is also more involved in the animal criteria, which is in scientific name is swarm intelligence. Swarm intelligence basically a algorithm in which they're solving a problem of AI based on the environment action from the in the goals in which different animal they do. So there is some example, like for example ant colony optimization. So there is, for example, two ants, they go for to food. One is this way, one is another way. So this is the complete cycle, that this way is very far away and this is very short. So you can see that insects are more in this, but some insect a little bit this one, but in the end most of the insect follow this part because of they release the chemical. So based on this behavior, the now AI is also trained by this way, that they give the result fast and fast, and they cover the shortest possible distance. Another is the from the from the bird flow. They also now show like same in the AI, that they move, or they pass the message in which they not touches, or they not combined with another message, or with same speed or with same. So look like animal behavior, the AI is now also working. It's known as swarm intelligence. This is in the bees, how they colonize. This is the ant mounds, how the buffaloes, the groups, how the birds flow like this. So this is all swarm intelligence, a big 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 field. So they related to the AI. So this is another what is skin tissues, how this kind of trees in which only small little bit light is coming, and trees need this light, and based on the fish this movement. So all of these are swarm intelligence based on the behavior of the animals. They apply to the AI also. This is the this graph shows the intelligence of the animals with the IQ score. So uh, the human is the top one, but at 2100 the AI will be more than human, and octopus will be second last, and they start from the jellyfish. So you can see it. And also they see the plants which are used for the intelligence to the AI. This is the some history, you can read it, how the AI is building, and they reach to the this ChatGPT 3 2020, and now is ChatGPT 5 from 2025. So this is basically history. So this is types of AI, which is narrow weak AI. AI means like a only work like a they give the data, and they receive, they will show the data like maps, translation. Only they're not involved in the to think or to give the your answer. Only those answer which they train, they give the answer. This is the weak or narrow AI. Another is the strong or general AI, in which we can see the ChatGPT or deep mind, in which they show the thinking, they show create their answer by yourself, and games which are like PUBG games. So they are all strong AI. And one which we can be see in the future is super AI, like Avenger, Ultron. They will be decided by their own everything, not by the data which are trained by human. This is the different types of AI. What is the relative machines like ATM? They have no sense, only they do which they give the limit. Another is the limited memory, in which we can also see the narrow weak AI, in which they give the data and they only give the come back to data. But some like strong or ultra AI, in which they will be understand the environment, and they will be give the advice, they explain everything by their own self. One is tuning test. What is tuning? Tuning test is the basically the test in which you cannot understand that this essay or this thing is made by AI or by human. So up till now, the ChatGPT 5 is now clear the tuning test, that turning test that people will not know that is it tried by human or by machine. So ChatGPT 5 is now clear the turning test. This is the some consequential AI, that how it depend on the person, how it will be depend on the cities, technologies. So everything will be affected by AI. Like for example, if you only introduce self-driving cars like Tesla, so the road capacity, the Pakistan fuel pumps, petrol, medical insurance, life, everything will be finished, because no one will be accidents, and no medical, no life insurance, no the pump, petrol pump, or no the engine, or like this kind, every parking, everything will be finished. So it's a little bit example of the AI. AI is also working in the research work, that on one click they will give the research article, everything. So by learning the AI and related to your field, it's good for you. So thanks you for watching. We will be continue more in AI, how we related to our field.